What is going on, everybody? We are out here Lake Tarpon on another derby, another Tuesday nighter. I think we're fishing these till like the 26th of October. I don't know if we're actually going to fish them that long or not, depending on, you know, it's getting dark at 7 o'clock now, so it only leaves you about an hour of fishing. Weather is hopefully holds out. It wasn't supposed to rain or anything else, but it's like probably 8-mile-an-hour wind right now, close to 8, 10. It's pretty bad. I got you guys hiding behind the glass hoping you quality is going to be good, but and it is pretty overcasty, so hopefully leads for some good fishing. We had some luck out here. We fished a day tournament, a Safelight that was similar weather to this, and we did pretty well, so hopefully we can get on tonight, make something happen in, you know, the hour we have before it gets dark, and hopefully we can catch fish after dark tonight, because this lake's real tough once the sun goes down, it seems. So stay tuned, we'll see what we can do. I guess that's the other guy's boat, that's not his boat. He's the guy fishing right there. Stinks, dude. Holy. You didn't spray it on yourself, did you?
No, it's on my bait.
Silly goose. Tricks are for kids.
Plug in live?
Ooh, it does stink, yeah. It's got ice in it. I need to fill it up, but.
Oh, God dang. That's almost good. Oh, that didn't sound too good.
Yeah.
Not bad. False alarm.
Nice.
I got him. Just keep fishing.
Let me know when you're ready to show them to the camera. I'm gonna throw this yellow crankbait around. Fish. Dude, that thing is nuts, bro. Oh yeah.
Turn it on if you're gonna do it, make it quick.
You're good.
What's up, boys? Got our first one for the night, Lake Tarpon. Gonna go put her in the box.
Or right to that, back to that spot, because they're probably schooling on it.
Yeah, it's net.
Put a tag on them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That one afternoon, after we fished that Saturday tournament, we came in here and I got blown up on just like that. Not last Tuesday, the one after the Saturday, bro. After the Saturday tournament, we got second in. We came straight into here. I got blown up on right away and never got touched afterwards. Got him down. It's like a 3, 2.5, 3. Yes, sir.
My camera?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Like a 2-pounder, 2 1/4. That one ate it. See it snatched the pole out of my hand? I said, like, good God, dude. Finally. 2 in the box, boys. A few more of them will be good.
As long as they give one, a couple bites for now. He ain't even 10.
He ain't even 10.
Sorry, he's hammered it though.
Oh yeah, they're eating right behind you. Yeah. The boat's about to be on them.
But I don't like throwing stuff.
Them white and freckled ones you had were pretty dang tough.
This one's smoked. let him eat it.
Yeah.
I knew he was gonna eat it again after he hit it the first time.
That's what I was saying, bro. Spooks and jerkbaits, everything, those dang things, everything's gonna be any type of bait fish imitation up and reverse like that. Literally, and then it clicked into gear and took off.
Tragic. All these lights are on these docks are pretty decent looking. Explosion.
What the hell? That's a big one. Oh my lord.
You're good. Oh my god.
No, this side.
I don't have
Was that a 4.5?
no, he's like a 3.
Oh, dang.
Told you. What did I say? I said that right between those docks. That looks good.
Heck yeah, bro.
Oh
Dude, he
God.
slurped it. I knew he was a big one. He said, didn't even blow up on it.
Shine your phone light in here.
Freaking buried that reel in my ribs, boy.
Oh, the meat. Those pliers right here.
Right straight below your feet.
Hold your line up. Hold your line up. Hold tension right here. Not from your pole, dog. Hold it to the back to you. To you, bud. Alright, bud. I'll get you on the line over. 1 second.
Let's go, dude.
You got a camera on?
Yeah, show the GoPro.
Good boys, 3-pounder-ish, 3-ish. Somewhere in there. Get back in. Get away from this dock. Get away from it. Good. Nice fish, buddy.
Thank you, sir. Bro, he slurped that thing, dude.
I told you, I was like, that light was through the water reflection.
You know what's funny? I stopped my frog because you were playing with the fluke.
Probably good.
I was about to boat flip him.
Should have, dude.
He was running so hard at me, dude. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing it did earlier. Your pole, you say, like the pole, your end of your rods are down in the net, and I yanked it up earlier, and I had to dig your fisher poles out of it. That's a nice net.
6?
That's what somebody just said. They said they got a 6-pounder.
No, we have 6 pounds. They just said. Yeah, why is this plugged in?
Oh, sure.
Oh, that's why. Area was in. Yeah, this shit's sick, boy.
He might go 4. Jeez, dude.
Hello, buddy. It's not one of them. Pull the back. I'll pull them in there.
How many fish you guys have, man?
3. You gotta dump them in there and get the water from underneath.
Throw them in there.
You good for us to dump them in?
What was their big fish? You said he had like a 4 pound. Oh, really?
461. 672.
That fish is close to a 4 then.
Yeah. 2. That's like a pound and a quarter.
Here's their weight. Where's the pen? What'd I say here?
672.
672. It's in my pocket. Or no, it's right there. 672 for weight, and big bass is 347. 347. Where'd the cover go? I have it in my pocket.
We only got 3, but hey, better than nothing. Better than nothing. Alright, y'all, so I went to edit this video together and totally forgot to shoot an outro. I don't know what I was doing when we left Lake Tarpon, but we didn't have a very great night, but we didn't have a bad night either. We had like a 3.5 pound big bass. Unfortunately, we're like a pound short on the big bass. I think like 451 that. Weights weren't too crazy. We had like 672 or something like that, so wasn't a bad night. We had 3 fish in the boat. We caught 2 that were undersized that I actually don't have on camera, unfortunately, but all in all, it wasn't a bad night for only like an hour of fishing. I tried to do all my recording in the actual daylight time so you guys could see it. It's not just a bunch of recording in the dark and a bunch of boring footage, but we actually have another tournament coming up this weekend. I'm going to be fishing Lake Panasoffkee, so if y'all want to stay tuned for that. Supposedly that place produces big bags. I have never personally been there myself, but it'll be, you know, a unique experience fishing it in an actual tournament for the first time. And, you know, we'll just go from there because all the fishing videos we're going to do in the tournaments we're going to be proceeding with will be you know, in that region. We're probably going to fish the Citrus Series, so you'll have Panisofsky, the Harris Chain, or Harris, all them lakes that, you know, we'll be going to off and on quite a bit. So I appreciate you guys coming out, showing some love on this video. Just drop a like, subscribe if you haven't. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. If you want to see any different types of videos, I'm going to start trying to do some, you know, B-roll footage, a couple other things. So the videos, just, you know, bear with me as I'm building myself as, you know, a YouTuber and learning how to edit and learning how to put videos together. You know, it's only going to get better from here. So appreciate you guys so much. Till next time, I'll see you.